Okay, so I saw a couple of ways on YouTube to make a moss wall for an aquarium using Java moss. This is what I'm going to try to make today. I'm going to do a couple of different things and try out and see which way's best. One person from YouTube suggested using screen like you would like a screen door or a screen window, and that just did not work out for me at all. So I've moved on to this mesh that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's really cheap. I think they're 69 cents each, and I've got 3 pieces, one that I cut down to fit the entire back of the aquarium. Then you're going to need some super glue. Use the gel kind. I have used this specific brand for all of my aquariums, and I've never had an issue with it. And then the third is you're, of course, going to need your Java moss. I also used a hot glue gun because it dries faster and it's easier when I was combining the 3 sheets together. But this is kind of what I came up with when it came out to it. And I'm doing some tests, some lighting tests. I've got the lighting good. I've got everything set up to help the moss grow to its full potential. So we'll just see how this goes and see which one works best. So I started out by taking individual strands and kind of weaving them through, and at the end of them I would put a dot of glue and press it down using a needle to kind of firm the end of it onto the mesh, and then just take the rest and thread it through. I feel like this would really help it spread out, but it's very time consuming, and it's just individual strands kind of weaved in throughout the mesh. So I decided to take bigger clumps and kind of weave those through, and used some glue in places that I needed to. I also just glued down chunks. And again, I used the gel super glue. Now, while I was doing this, I was also misting the moss because I didn't want it to dry out too much. Once I placed the moss on there, I took my hot glue gun and I just put a dab on each corner, and then I would place the other one right on top of it just like that, so that it would create one long sheet for my 20-gallon long tank. So this is the finished product. This is inside the aquarium. I have some mollies and swordtails in here with some plecos. They enjoy eating my plants, so please ignore the half-eaten plants in the tank. They're going to get sorted out soon. But I just simply placed it in the aquarium, and I didn't really attach it to anything because I wanted to give room for the Java moss to take hold, to spread out, and everything like that. I'm hoping this will become a great hiding place for future fry that I have from these lovely swordtails and mollies.